Have you come across the team members, colleagues keep saying that they have brilliant ideas? And these people keep saying that if these brilliant ideas are executed, then the system can be turned around. Many times they are grossly mistaken that having brilliant ideas alone is a virtue. Having brilliant ideas is okay, but more than that, execution matters a lot. If I have to clarify you on this particular concept, you may have to go through these images. In this particular image, the different kind of ideas are given different kind of scores. For example, a weak idea is given a value of 1 and so on. The brilliant idea is given a value of 20. That means the brilliant idea is 20 times stronger than a weak idea. On the contrary, if you see the execution level, the weak execution has got value worth of $1,000, while the brilliant execution has got value worth of $10 million. We can try out different permutation combinations. The business value will be the multiplication of the idea score and the execution score. Now let's go to scenario number 1. You take the most brilliant idea, as I said earlier, which has got 20 times value than the weak idea, but you execute with less vigor. That means weak execution. A brilliant idea which has got 20 score executed in a weak fashion, which means 20 into 1000, the business worth is $20,000. One may be happy with taking a brilliant idea and quickly execute it and be happy with $20,000. But is it a good strategy? Can we see better alternative? Now let's come back to scenario number 2. In scenario number 2, you take the weak idea which has got a value of just 1, but you do it in a brilliant execution manner. The brilliant execution has got a value worth of $10 million. So again, the idea score into the execution score, 1 into 10 million, finally resulting into 10 million worth of the solution. So is it not the better solution compared to scenario number 1? If you have to clearly understand, let me give a practical example or short case study. I think many of you are using Instagram. Instagram has got several features. But when it was launched in 2010, it was a very simple application where someone can take a picture, upload it and then download it. That's all. A simple application. But it was executed in a brilliant fashion with powerful algorithms. Within 2 months of launch, Instagram has got 1 million users. Within 1 year, it has got 10 million users. Even 10% of the users, if they are trying to use this application, it should not have any performance issue. It should not have any latency. In a GIF, all the images should get uploaded, downloaded in a seamless fashion. That is what Instagram did. That is the power of execution. Taking a simple idea and execute in a powerful fashion. That's why Instagram was acquired by Facebook for a value worth of $1 billion in 2017. 2019, Instagram has got 1 billion users. So now you will be able to appreciate the power of execution. Having a brilliant idea may not matter. Even if you have an idea, a weak idea, but in your organization, if you support with the execution methodology, if you give maximum details, your idea may be considered in idea junction or suggestion scheme. Try out next time.